Hey everyone, welcome back to Food Prepping. Today we're going to be preparing these Betty Crocker Fudge Brownies. So if you've lost your package or you just like a visual guide, we're here to help. We've got everything that we need assembled here. You're of course going to need your fudge brownie mix, a bowl to mix everything up in. An 8-inch pan is preferable. If you only have a 9-inch pan, just be aware that they will be thinner brownies. And I'm going to use some foil to line my pan with to make it easier to remove. You don't have to do that step though. You're also going to need 1/3 cup vegetable oil, 2 tablespoons of water, 1 egg, a spoon to stir things up with, and a spatula to get everything out of the bowl, and some toothpicks to check at the end. First thing that you need to do is preheat your oven. If you are using aluminum or glass, preheat to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. If you are using non-stick, like me, we're gonna preheat to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Now let's prep our pan. If you are not lining your pan, then simply grease the bottom of it with some cooking spray or butter or oil and set it aside. For me, we're gonna use some foil though, so we're gonna go ahead and line the whole thing. This is a little trick I like to do whenever I'm using foil or parchment to line a pan. I like to flip it over, mold it to the bottom of the pan, and then you flip it back, and then it will fit more easily into your pan without cracking or breaking your corners. You do still have to be gentle with it, especially in the corners if you have nails, but this does make it easier. And now that that's lined, we're just going to spray the bottom with some cooking spray and set it aside.
If you'd like to support this channel, the easiest way to do that is using our Amazon links the next time you shop there.
Next, we need to combine everything into our bowl and mix it together. So we're adding our brownie mix, our 1/3 cup oil, 1 egg, and 2 tablespoons of water. Make sure you are scraping the sides and bottom because there will be dry mix hiding under there. Now we're just going to add this into our pan. Gently spread it into the corners because the corners do tend to be a little bit thinner because the batter will gravitate toward the center. And now we're going to pop this into the oven for their recommendation of 26 to 28 minutes or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out almost clean. So I will come back and let you know exactly how long that takes in my oven.
If you like what we're doing here, please consider sending a super thanks. It helps us continue to provide more amazing content.
All right, guys, it has been 28 minutes in my oven. At 26 minutes, this was definitely not done in the middle, but I do think that we are probably in a good spot now. So we're gonna go ahead and check this with a toothpick, and it is mostly clean, which is exactly what we are looking for. So here is our completed Betty Crocker Fudge Brownies. If you guys would like to know how these taste, definitely check out our other channel, 5-Minute Eats, where we're gonna give you a full review and let you know if we would purchase them again or not. But in the meantime, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and we'll catch you guys next time. Bye.
All right, guys, that's the video. If you like what we're doing here, definitely check out our other channel, 5-Minute Eats, and don't forget to give us a like and subscribe.